Many students struggle to be consistent in coding. Let's now talk about 3 reasons to be consistent. The first reason, many people leave coding because somebody else is learning faster. Everybody has a different learning curve. And just make sure that you are improving yourself day by day. Don't worry, you might learn faster than the other person at the later stage of your learning. The second reason, think of multiple advantages that you get when you become a successful coder. Your chances of getting placed or getting job become higher. You become a superstar in your college if you are a good coder. You make your college proud if you reach top of those leaderboards. The third reason, it's always a joy to interact with the computer once you get over those compiler errors. You always enjoy that logical interaction, unlike the human interaction where emotions are involved.